Iran. Iran is an Islamic country at the moment, and I grew up in a Muslim family in southwest of Iran. So like every other Muslims, praying just 5 times a day and knowing that God's name is Allah. It came to the point that I was almost 17 years old, and my journey with Jesus started from there. As a Muslim, you must pray in Arabic because Allah is Arab. That's what, He understands Arabic. Even we've been told when we get to heaven, even if we are Persian, we speak in Persian or Farsi, we're going to have a 6-month course and we learn Arabic and then talk to Him. So I'm sorry, but we've been believing in what they've been hearing because of the spirit of fear. So behind the spirit of Islam is the spirit of fear. I was praying like other Muslims 5 times a day, and one day when I was bowing my head on the ground, putting my head on the ground and bowing my knees, saying Subhana Rabbil A'la wa bihamdih. This is the verse that we say in Arabic when our head is on the ground. A revelation came to my mind, and the question was, why God is asking me to talk to Him in a language that I don't know? So if you are God, you must know that I am Persian. Love Persian. That's love. Yeah, that's something to love really about. I asked him and I said, if you're God, you must know that I'm not Arab. Why you expect me to talk to you in another language, and you want me to repeat things every day, the same things, That revelation came to my mind, and I said, so that's silly. I'm not going to pray anymore. But I said something to God. I said, God, if you are alive, show yourself to me. 7 days after that, not praying to Allah anymore, and waiting for God, a live God, to show Himself to me, I had a dream from Jesus Christ. But not only me, my mother, my sister, and myself in the same night. We did have the same dream of Jesus Christ. So Jesus, with 2 white papers, He came to our dream. And He said to my mom, Mary, and said, I am Jesus Christ. Take these 2 white papers and pass them to Amin and Elham. Elham is my sister, and we were behind my mom. My mom got them and passed them to us. When she turned back to Jesus, I woke up. And that time was 5 o'clock in the morning. So I said, what's wrong? Who is Jesus? As a Muslim, you think that Jesus is only a prophet. Good prophet of love. Actually, that's what they tell us. And I said, what was those 2 white papers? And in the meantime, I was thinking about that. I heard my mom and my sister were crying in the